Oats overnight. 1 cup of oats. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 1 cup of milk or yogurt of your choice. Fruits for topping, like blueberries, strawberries, banana. Nuts for topping, like almonds, walnuts, pecans. Sweetener of your choice. Combine your oats and chia seeds in a mason jar or a sealable container. Pour in your oats and chia seeds.
Add your milk or yogurt. Pour your chosen liquid over the oats and chia seeds. If you prefer a creamier texture, using yogurt could be a great option.
Sweeten it up. If you prefer your oats a bit sweet, now is the time to add your sweetener. Honey, agave, or maple syrup can be great choices. Stir it all together. Use a spoon to mix all the ingredients. Make sure the oats and chia seeds are fully submerged in the liquid. Let it rest. Now, cover the container and place it in the fridge. The oats and chia seeds will absorb the liquid and soften overnight. Top it off in the morning. The next morning, give your oats a good stir. Now, it's time to add your favorite toppings. And that's it. A quick, healthy, and customizable breakfast that's ready to go when you wake up in the morning. Enjoy your meal.